Promethean Whiteboard incorporates some of our users' favorite tools, math tools. Select the Math Tools button from the toolbar to access the ruler, set square, half protractor, and full protractor. Tap any tool to add it to your canvas. Simply drag to move the Math tool anywhere on your canvas. Pinch and zoom to change the size of the Math tool, or, in the case of this ruler, rotate it to use whichever units you wish. Use the Pen tool to draw lines along the ruler's edge. And thanks to your Active Panel's pen and touch differentiation, there's no need to change to the Selector Tool. When you have finished with the Math tool, tap the X on the tool to close it. Use the Pen tool, along with the protractor, to fill in angles, or create new angles. With the Selector tool in use, annotations created with the Math tools can be moved, rotated, and resized as well.